Samsung has launched the new Galaxy S26 Ultra, bringing a slimmer design, a powerful new processor, and a brand new privacy display feature. But how big are the upgrades compared to the previous model? Let's find out. Starting with the unboxing, inside the box you get the Galaxy S26 Ultra, a Type-C to Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and documentation. Like most flagship phones today, the charger is not included in the box. Samsung has made a few noticeable design changes this year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is now slimmer at 7.9 millimeters and slightly lighter at 214 grams. The camera layout has also been redesigned, and the frame material has changed from titanium to aluminum. The display remains a 6.9-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2,600 nits brightness. But the biggest highlight this year is the new privacy display. When enabled, it reduces visibility from side angles, meaning only the person directly in front can clearly see the screen. This can be especially useful for protecting private chats, banking apps, or passwords in public places. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8.5 and promises up to 7 years of software updates. The camera setup keeps similar megapixel numbers, but Samsung has improved the apertures for better low-light performance. The main camera now has a wider aperture, allowing it to capture more light and produce brighter night photos. You can also record videos in 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second across all lenses, and even shoot professional log video for advanced color grading. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra brings several useful upgrades, including a slimmer design, improved low-light camera performance, and the unique privacy display feature. But the big question is, are these upgrades enough to make you switch? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more tech updates.